I used scraps of corrugated plastic from a previous project to make very simple but very effective portable stands for my phones. Phone stands of all kinds are available today, but cost around $7 at least, often a lot more. These cost me nothing at all. There are some interesting applications for this simple and cheap concept. Let's get into it. I didn't use all of the strips that I cut for the cat scratch pad, and they were a good width for this project. I planned to make my phone stands about the size of a business card. I planned to cut the notches parallel to the flutes. That's about all the planning I did. I used a pencil to make the lightest possible lines in an effort to keep my holders as clean as possible. The simple set of tools used includes the basics for cutting and measuring. I measured the thickness of each phone with its case and made the notches that wide. I measured the distance between the edge of the phone and the display area and made the notches that deep. These phone stands do what they were made to do perfectly. They're cheap or free to make, depending on your source of corrugated plastic. They're portable and light and easy to make. They're flexible. They can hold your phone in a horizontal or vertical orientation at a range of different angles. The notch doesn't need to be snug against the phone, as mine are, so there's some flexibility in terms of phone size. But phones in their cases vary enough in size that when you get a new phone, the odds are good that you'll need to make a new phone stand. But again, they're very easy to make. A lot of these could be very cheaply printed and laser cut from a sheet of corrugated plastic. Printed with a company logo and contact info, they'd make cheap and effective tchotchkes, small items to be given away free to customers for purposes of advertising. If you do this, be sure to let it be known that they're recyclable. For DIY purposes, of course, your phone stand can be personalized in any way you like. Thanks for watching. I hope it's been a good trip. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell so that you can be sure that you're notified of my next video.